Today guys, I'm gonna show you on how to download War of Dots. I know guys it's completely Steam, just first thing first, the uh, the Steam the Steam way, okay? The Steam way. This is the only way, okay? If you don't have Steam, I'm gonna show you later on. If you have it, go to your account and wait for it to log in. So I'm gonna fast forward to that right now. Okay, so just search War of Dots. And then right here, there it is. War of Dots. Play the game, download it, put the date, just do the data you want the data in, and play the game. And there's the second way, the browser way. Google Chrome, go to your browser, and then you go into your browser, search War of Dots, click it, and then there it is. The same thing appeared. There you go. That's all for this video. I hope you like it, and hopefully like and subscribe to help my channel grow. Okay? So, goodbye.